Have you ever wondered if that mouth-watering smoked meat or fish you love might be lurking with hidden dangers? Recent studies suggest that the smoky flavor we crave could be linked to an increased risk of serious health issues, including cancer. Smoked foods have been a part of human cuisine for centuries, and their popularity shows no signs of slowing down. But while they're undeniably delicious, there's growing concern about their potential health risks. Let's explore the truth behind these smoky treats. The primary concern with smoky foods is the presence of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs. These compounds are formed when meat or other foods are cooked over an open flame or grill, and they've been linked to a variety of health problems. PAHs can be found in both grilled and smoked foods, but the concentration tends to be higher in smoked items due to the longer cooking time and exposure to smoke. These compounds can enter our bodies through our digestive system and potentially cause harm. Now, for the big question, are smoky foods truly dangerous? While research on this topic is ongoing, recent studies have found that red processed meats, including smoked meats, may increase your risk of breast and prostate cancer. Some studies suggest that the risk of health problems associated with smoky foods may be lower than previously thought, while others continue to raise concerns. Let's dive deeper into the science behind smoked foods. PAHs are created when the fat and juices of meat or fish come into contact with high temperatures. This process can produce a variety of PAHs, some of which are more harmful than others. While the exact health risks associated with PAHs are still being studied, some research suggests that they may increase the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, obesity, and respiratory problems. It's important to note that these risks are generally associated with long-term exposure to high levels of PAHs. Who should avoid smoked foods and tips for cooking smoked food safely? If you've been diagnosed with kidney disease, heart disease, hypertension, compromised immunity, you should be concerned about the potential health risks of smoked foods. Now to the steps that can help you reduce your exposure to PAHs. 1. You can marinate the meat before grilling. 2. Avoid charring. 3. Remove any charred or burnt ends. 4. Choose natural charcoal. Choose leaner and thinner cuts of meat. 5. Trim off fats that can cause fire flares. 6. Keep the grill surface clean. Also, eat foods rich in antioxidants and polyphenol. In conclusion, while smoky foods can be a delicious part of a balanced diet, it's important to be mindful of their potential health risks. By understanding the science behind PAHs and taking the steps we shared, you can reduce your exposure and safely enjoy these foods. What are your thoughts on smoked foods? Have you made any changes to your diet based on these concerns? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our video on 11 healthy snack hacks for a healthier lifestyle.